What's up, guys? Welcome back to another freaking late video. You don't know, see your girl PriinXo back at it again with another banger. So today I'm gonna do never have I ever challenge. Stay tuned. Is me?
You're my best view.
Alright, so the first one is never have I ever sneak out of the house. I never yet do that. I'm not gonna sneak out go. My back when I want to broke. I never yet do that, no. The next one is never have I ever farted and blamed someone else. Me ever I do that. Me ever I let go some thinking fart and me just blame somebody else. Like, see for my mother, me and my mother, my auntie, me a fart and blame my mother. Have I ever had a bad allergic reaction? You know, say me have to lock my book for this. You know, say me did have one, but I one time me did much smaller. It's like me love cat, and then now me did have one cat. So me I say, me take up the cat and put the cat tail in my mouth. Me don't know why me did that. I nobody thinks say body did touch my mouth. Cause me don't know why for that, brother. Why? And me don't know what happened. Must be one over 40 left off in there and something. My mother did have to carry me go to a doctor. And my tonsil is swelled up for days. So from that, the doctor them said that told me allergic to cats. Cause me tell us me did really sick. Yeah, that was my bad allergic reaction. The next one is never have I ever had a surprise party thrown for me. Now I don't remember me if it's thrown a surprise party for me, like never. It has never ever happened for me. Never have I ever peed in the water or farted in the water. Enough time, everybody do that. I would say I make them fart sound there underwater and it sounds so cool, bro, like no jokes. Never have I ever sent a dirty text to the wrong person. I never yet do that. Me one good little girl, I never yet send dirty texts. I never.
Cap.
Never have I ever pushed a pull door. Enough time. I don't see you go to a pharmacy and same thing, you push the door instead of pull the door. Enough time that happened to me. It come like you're an idiot sometimes, because sometimes we go sign there, no? Sometimes we go sign there say push and you pull the door instead. Enough time that happened to me. Never have I ever had to run to save my life. Yes. Never have I ever had to tell someone that they have a bad breath. Brother, yo, me never do it. But me tell you so one morning, you know. Me in a taxi, you know. So the man did over one side, me did over one side, so me never really smell the man mouth until the man come side of me. Come here tell you so the man mouth stink, you know. Me didn't want to tell the man, but me don't want nobody bash me, master. Who am I? A big man, I'm a little picnic. Me if you go say your mouth stink, oh god, they say me not no manners. Me come back home, everybody that say, you know no manners, you go, you're good. So me keep my mouth shut. Never have I ever sing loud with earphones in. I never yet do that. Never have I ever tried to fart silent, but it come out loud instead. Everybody do that. Who doesn't? Enough time you try squeeze the fart. Yeah, squeeze the fart. I literally squeeze it like how me I squeeze my fist right now. And it does come out loud. Loud, brother. Everybody do that. Everybody go through that. Never have I had a relationship with two persons in the same family. No, me not so bad. Never have I ever lied about my age. Me not even do that. I mean, like if some people ask me how old me be like, me 30, me 40, or me 21. But me not say I lie. But them not really. I don't content people fast too much. The last one is never have I ever cheated on a test. Everybody cheat on tests. Duh. What I do for me is like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell. Yo, how much time? Comment every time you have to preach to no man. Watch out the video, man. Watch the video to the end, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend, man. You don't know. Anyways, me out, isn't it?